stressed out, feeling lost and I don't know what to do now. What I chose ain't really gonna work out, falling 6 feet underneath the floor now. Think I'm gonna tap out. Feel bad, go to bed, wake up even worse. Yeah, so sad,